Hi, welcome to Lalas World. Today we're going to talk about how to get free stuff on the Wish app 2018, and I'm going to show you 3 different ways. First, open your Wish app. Swipe over to the icon that has the gift. Once you get there, you'll see the daily giveaway. It starts between 9 p.m. and 9:15 p.m. and all the items are free with no shipping cost. And as you can see, they actually have a lot of cool items that you can get for free. You can also view these upcoming items to see if there's anything you'd prefer for another day. And if you need more info on how it works, this is the page you would look at to see what it is, how it works, and what to do. Number 2. Click the bars on the top left corner and it will open up this menu where you can click on Earn $20. From here, you'll see where you can refer people to Wish and earn up to $20 in Wish Cash. So far, I've earned $14 in Wish Cash. I personally did this by using Retail Me Not. Scroll down to get your unique code. Click the copy button on your phone, go to your internet, and type in www.retailmenot.com. If you have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you'll need to create an account. Once you're logged in, go to your profile and scroll down and click Submit Coupon. On this screen is where you enter all the information. The store website is of course going to be wish.com. The code is your unique code that you've just copied from the app. And the description would be what your code does. For example, my code gives people 50% off when they sign up using my code. After you fill out all the info, click Submit Offer. By submitting your code, this way you'll have a higher chance of getting more people to your code. Once your code is approved by Retail Me Not, it looks like these other coupons that you see. Of course, you don't have to use Retail Me Not to do this. You can use your social media accounts such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. Number 3. Do a search for free items. For this method, click into the search bar at the top and type the word free. And in this search, you'll see a lot of items that are free of charge and you only pay shipping. This is still a good deal, but one other thing you can do to get an even better deal is go back to Retail Me Not and look for free shipping codes. Please keep in mind that most of the free shipping codes on here are for first-time orders only. But even if you don't get your shipping free, you still get a free item and only have to pay the shipping cost. So it's still a good deal either way. Well, thanks for watching how to get free stuff on the Wish app 2018 3 ways. Be sure to share, comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel.